Hey, what's up, Internet? On my way out here, I'm at Antelope Island, outside of Salt Lake City, outside of Ogden, Utah, going out to do a sunset shot on the Great Salt Lake. Because of some of the problems I had last week, I ended up getting the adapter ring for my old lenses. So I've got my trusty old setup here on the new camera, and I know that I can focus that lens. I'm sure I just gotta go into the settings and adjust the focus on the lens that came with the camera, but I just don't know how to do it yet. And I'm currently down on where the water used to be. The beach used to be all the way up there. That's a long ways out here now. I made it down here. I'd go out into the water. Well, I might go in the water. It just looks gross. And there's all these flies. I don't know if you can see the flies, but there's definitely flies. Oh yeah, look at this. Well, this here's my setup right now.